Yeah. Make some noise if you're feeling good tonight, people. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I have an addiction to women. It's a fact. Every single room I walk into, I'm trying to get asked. I can't look at the facts, so I laugh. But I'm just infatuated by the fact that I can't get romanticized. I romanticize my romantic situation. That's the way that I'm facing it. I gotta run cause I'm running out of my own. I got some chemicals pulsing right through my own body, my veins. I feel it every single time on the stage. But more importantly, looking at your face. I can't even act this way. But you tell me it's wrong, I got manners, I know. I say it was wrong and I know that I cause a problem. Now you really cause trouble. I go in front of Eddie, who they never act subtle. That's just the way that I cruise and I cruise and I cruise. I never really lose cause I know what I prove. Every time that I do it, won't be looking at the do it. I feel this way, feel this way. I got something to say. I got an addiction to money, to drugs, to women. That's my affliction. And you act that way because I trust every time that I can't behave. Because I really got bust and I promise I'm wrong. I promise I'm wrong. I promise you will remember your dogs. So we just doesn't the rough off. I show you how to do it because I know there's something to run. Something to say, something to move. I act this way, I'm coming as a king. Don't be so right like that when you talk, when you talk, and you move like that. And what you about? You got some problems, I know you got doubt. You got some issues, I know we can talk about it. But right now I'm just trying to open up your mouth. I can't move so quickly. Homies be looking at me, they get frisky. I can't act so horny, but homies talking, I know that they horny. I don't really be the comedy type rapping shit. I'ma do it for fact. I keep it going every time that you don't react. Time man, other kids when it really gets back. I mean, playing the keys and rapping every time you know what's gonna happen. I got addictions to love, to money, to women, to drugs, to homies, to love. I can't imagine a life without all the things that I need. Just to survive. I need the money right now to show me that I got my own issues. I got an issue, I got my own issues. I got so many, I got so many, I got so many, I got my own issues. I got some problems right now. I got some bring it in. They say it's cringe, so I downloaded Hinge. Trying to be a girl every single night romantically. I'm just trying to binge. Damn, that was wrong of me. I see harmony. That's a lie. I see flirtation in this life, in this nation. People talking, they lack preservation. And I see a hot girl, no hesitation. How you doing, mama? Maybe make a reservation. We can go right now, but five-star motel. I show you how to do it in time, can't you tell? I got some issues right now. I'm just trying to open up your tissue. Like, damn, you can't feel that shit. I wanna enter your body like a rapping shit. I mean, damn, I don't mean to act away, but I was moving sideways when I rap. I said, I mean, damn, maybe you're looking at me and I know that you're feeling this way when we at with your play. But I just want to tell you right now, I see the truth in your face. See, like, you got some things that I want. You got some things that I need. You got some things that I want. You got some things that I need. You see that? You got some things that I want. You got some things that I. You got some things that I. You got some things that I want. I got addiction, so we can really just talk. It's a serious issue. I got addiction. I got some problems. I got some issues. Give me your problem. I got addiction. I got some problems. I got some issues. way I am. A lot of people go top, but I got the plan. I mean, yeah, just book a flight with me, and we can do it on Expedia. Dude, believe I mean, just go on this. What the fuck am I saying right now? I think I'm speaking for all of us. I just wanna see you get on top of us. I got some issues, I got some problems, I got addiction. Maybe you'll solve them. I got some issues, I got some problems, I got addiction. Maybe you'll solve them. I got some issues, I got some problems, I got addiction. Maybe you'll solve them. I got some issues, I got addiction. Maybe some problems, maybe you'll solve them.
up my soul, warm up the soul. I wanna get it cold. I need you to warm up the soul. I said when you wanna get it cold, I need you to warm up the soul. They used to say a woman deserve a good body. They said a woman deserve a good body. They said a woman deserve a good body. I said a woman deserve a good body. You know what is a body? It's your friend. It's not your man, technically. He's the person you call when you say you gotta really handle me. That's the man that you call and you say, man, I need you to handle me. Man, it could just be somebody that knows and understands. You know, I'm not here to judge you today. You gotta do it all and then it all hang, right? You deserve a good friend. You deserve a good buddy that lives to the end. Don't worry, yes, feeling it. She's feeling it. Yeah. A woman deserve a good buddy. Said a woman deserve a good buddy. I can hear you, good friend. Oh, you good friend. I can hear you, good friend. Oh, you good friend. You need a good friend like that. 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 I need a good friend like that. Take care of the cat. You need a good friend like that. Who sometimes go out your back. She need a good friend like that. You need a good friend like that. You need a good friend like that. Who knows how to handle the cat. You need a good friend like that. You need a good friend like that. You need a good friend like that. Sometimes don't come blow out your back. Why? How many girls in the room? 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 How many girls in the room just say like that? How